This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. IIAR and ASHRAE Update Memorandum of Understanding by Michael Gary. Published July 31st, 2025. The International Institute of All Natural Refrigeration, IIAR, and the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers, ASHRAE, announced in a LinkedIn post that they have signed an updated Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, that underscores their commitment to advancing and promoting the mutual interests of their members. This partnership marks a significant step forward in fostering collaboration between the two organizations, which share a common goal of enhancing cooling, freezing, and heat pump industry standards and practices, the post said. By working together in determining and executing initiatives documented within an IIAR-ASHRAE work plan, our two organizations aim to drive innovation, improve HVAC system sustainability, expand international standards development, and support the ongoing education and training of professionals in the heating, refrigeration, and air conditioning sectors. According to the minutes of an ASHRAE meeting held February 9th, 2025 in Orlando, Florida, IIAR and ASHRAE's previous MOU was struck in 2014. Gary Schrift, president of IIAR, said in a presentation at the meeting that many members of ASHRAE serve on IIAR boards and committees and vice versa, adding IIAR members are involved in updates to the ASHRAE position document on refrigerants and their responsible use. Schrift received the Person of the Year Award from Atmosphere, publisher of naturalrefrigerants.com, at the Atmosphere America 2025 conference in Atlanta in June. IIAR, previously called the International Institute of Ammonia Refrigeration, supports the adoption of natural refrigerant-based systems in industrial refrigeration and increasingly in commercial refrigeration through conferences, research, advocacy, and the development of safety standards. IIAR recently submitted a letter to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, asking that the agency retain the 100-year GWP limit of 150 for refrigerants in new cold storage applications established by the Technology Transitions Rule in the U.S. AEM Act, and noting that the availability of natural refrigerant systems make that GWP limit a reasonable restriction for end users. Similar activities. ASHRAE is also engaged in research, standards writing, publishing, and continuing education for the HVAC and R industry. It publishes widely used standards, including ASHRAE 15, which specifies requirements for the safe design, construction, installation, and operation of refrigeration systems, and ASHRAE 34, which describes a shorthand way of naming refrigerants and assigns safety classifications based on toxicity and flammability data. ASHRAE's 15.2-2022 Safety Standard for Refrigeration Systems in Residential Applications has been working on a proposal to increase the use of up to 4.9 kilograms, 10.9 pounds, of flammable A3 refrigerants like propane in outdoor indirect heat pumps and air conditioners in the U.S. ASHRAE's views on natural refrigerants were originally expressed in 2009 in a position document. Because of its alignment with sustainability initiatives, ASHRAE supports research, assessment, and strategic growth in the use of natural refrigerants such as ammonia, carbon dioxide, hydrocarbons, air and water, in refrigeration systems and technologies, the document said. The 2014 edition of the ASHRAE Refrigeration Handbook included data on natural refrigerants. Other MOUs. IIAR has entered into several other MOUs with industry organizations. In March, IIAR and Atmosphere announced an MOU. This agreement represents a shared commitment to drive forward safe, sustainable, and innovative natural refrigeration solutions on a global scale, said Atmosphere CEO Mark Chassereau. Through this partnership, both organizations will collaborate on a variety of initiatives, ranging from knowledge sharing and events to the promotion of best practices. By working together, we aim to expand the adoption of natural refrigerants, support the growth of eco-friendly technologies, and foster industry-wide leadership in responsible refrigeration. Last year, IIAR signed MOUs with the International Institute of Refrigeration, IIR, and the North American Sustainable Refrigeration Council, NASRC. In general, IIAR signs MOUs with organizations that share a vision that matches or overlaps with IIAR's. Goal to promote the use of natural refrigerants, Schrift said.